MetaTrader 5, or MT5, is the world's most popular trading platform developed by MetaQuotes Software Corp. Prop firms, brokers, and traders throughout the world use this popular software every day and enjoy their features and functions. And in this video, I'm going to share with you what is MT5 and how it can be applied to your startup prop firm or Forex brokerage firm. Hey, it's Frank Nagy and welcome to my channel where we help financial entrepreneurs grow their business in the financial markets. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. What is a MetaTrader 5? A MetaTrader 5 or MT5 is a multi-asset trading platform that was released in 2010. MT5 is much faster and more efficient than MT4, but it doesn't replace the previous platform as it is different and simply offers more than MT4 does. MT5 provides the ability to trade more asset classes in almost all financial markets, including Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, and even cryptocurrencies. It also provides all the necessary tools for the active trader, such as advanced technical and fundamental analysis, trading signals, algorithmic and copy trading, as well as trading robots. Let me know which platform do you like better, MT4 or MT5? Put your comments below. Successful prop firms and broker-dealers around the world have chosen the MetaTrader 5 multi-asset platform for trading Forex, foreign exchange, instruments, and futures. Hiring experienced prop firm consultant like Frank Nagy Financial Services will greatly reduce the burden of setting up your prop firm and by helping you set up your MT5 platform. For prop firms and Forex brokers, the MT5 support designed is for the business model. In this platform, you can assign role-based managers such as accountants, administrators, dealers, risk managers, etc., as well as effectively control the trade conditions such as margin requirements, contract terms, credit limits, swaps, trades, sessions, drawdowns, spreads, markups, commissions, and other trading parameters. The platform provides preventative mechanisms to reduce risks and tools for automatic monitoring of margin and credit limits and operational risks. The MetaTrader 5 supports a variety of risk management tools for all asset classes to meet the requirements of different business models. The system offers an advanced market depth feature, a separate accounting of orders and trades, and the support of all types of trading orders and execution model. One major feature provided by MT5 is the algorithmic trading feature, which enables automated trading using robots and other tools. These applications can analyze the market and perform market condition trading in operations according to trading specific strategies. The MT5 delivers complete solutions for integration and gateways with popular liquidity providers on the Forex market and enables direct connectivity to global financial exchanges like the CBOT. A gateway is an integrated solution that enables brokers to instantly hedge their risk through a direct interaction with other MetaTrader 5 brokers. Using the gateways, brokers can provide traders access to various financial exchanges through other exchange participants. Hey, if you're thinking about starting a Forex prop firm or hedge fund, I recommend my ebook bundle, The Ultimate Prop Firm Guide and The Ultimate Hedge Fund Guide. Click on the link below in the description box.